Hello friends, this is Veer from Saraswati classes, Narol, Ahmedabad. Friends, as you know that in 11th standard, your chapter number 3 is going on, where we have discussed so many questions earlier on. And today we are going to take such one more question, a new method that is known as mode, right? MODE, mode. बहुलक जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं. Symbolically it is to be known as Z or M0. So what is the basic definition of mode is when the given observations are repeating again and again, so the observation which is repeated at the highest time, that will become your mode. Same here, I have discussed with you that 146, 134, you have given certain observations. After all observing all these observations, we can say 138 comes 3 times, which is quite more than all other observations. So in this way we can say Z is equal to M0 is equal to 138. And why this is 138 directly, how can you say this one? So you have to give a specification, because 138 repeats the highest times, so it becomes the mode, right? This is the very basic question, and it is not going to be asked in the examinations, but the main definition you can understand over there. The second question is there given to you: number of cakes, number of days. Cakes means xi. Then secondly that is given to you, that is frequency. 10, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18. So 5, 9, 25, 16, 10 and 7. Now this is a discrete type of frequency. When this kind of frequency is given to you in such circumstances, from the given frequency find the highest value. What is the highest value? That is 25. Against which on the opposite side of xi, see what value comes. It is coming 13. So the highest value, वो जो highest value आपकी आई है, उसके सामने की जो value है वो आपका क्या बन जाएगी? Mod बन जाएगी. Right? These are the basic things we should understand. The important question that is over here, that is this one, which comes for you in examination of 5 marks. The same question but quite different. You have given certain class over here. So you can see class 50 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70. You can see here 50 to 60, there is a margin of 10. 60 to 65, margin of 5. 65 to 70, margin of again 5. 70 to 85, there is a different 15. And 85 to 100, 15. So you can see the class is given, okay, but the class length, that is not absolutely same at every time. So that's why we have to use another method to find out the Z or mode. So Z is equal to 3m minus 2x bar is to you used. Every time this method is not applicable, when your class is same, means all the class have difference, then your formula will be different from this one, but this time you will have to use this one, that is equal to 3m minus 2x bar, where m stands for median and x bar stands for mean, right? So how to calculate this one? So see, frequency is already given to you. Now xi means middle value. How to find middle value? Add 50 and 60, lower boundary point plus upper boundary point. This is lower one and this is upper one. इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे और 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, so you will get xi, right? और सिमिलरली हर क्लास में हमें यही करना है, हम लोअर और अपर को ऐड करेंगे और 2 से क्या करेंगे? डिवाइड करेंगे, so that we will get middle value or xi. So after getting xi, you have seen in mean time, when we are calculating mean sums, at that time we have calculated di. But here you can see your class length is not similar to every case. So in such circumstances, means formula will be there like that: x bar is equal to sigma fi xi divided by n. So you have fi, you have xi, get the multiplication of both of them, it will become fi xi. Multiply all these with each other and we will get all the data. After getting this one total, this will be 3305 or 3305 as a sum of sigma fi xi to be divided by n. N stand for the frequency of all. So total n, that is 48 given to you. After dividing this one, you will get a mean, that is 68.85. Now your second case is median, m. How to find m? M is equal to n upon 2 term. N stand 48 upon 2 is really 24th term. Now where is this 24th term? So for that we have to see cumulative frequency. Now what is cumulative frequency? So first of all calculate cumulative frequency. See, this is your 6 stand, 6 plus 10, 16, 16 plus 19, 35, 30 plus 9, 44, 44 plus 4, 48. In this way you have calculated your CF. Short name is CF but the full name is cumulative frequency, जिसे हम हिंदी में संचयी आवृत्ति कहते हैं, जिसमें एक के बाद दूसरी वैल्यू ऐड करके जो रिजल्ट आता है उसमें तीसरी वैल्यू ऐड करते हैं, जो रिजल्ट आता है उसमें फोर्थ वैल्यू ऐड करते जाते हैं. दिस इज द व्हाई वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड दिस वन. हमें इसे क्यों गिना? इसे गिनने का एक रीजन है. रीजन ये है क्योंकि हम जब भी मीडियन, राइट, देन क्वार्टाइल, you have 3 quartile, Q1, Q2 and Q3. Then deciles, you have 9 deciles, D1 to D9, and percentile, P1 to P9, D9, right? So when you are going to calculate median, quartile, deciles and percentile, at that time you need to calculate CF. When you need to calculate means, at that time XI is needed and then multiplication needed. Right, because we have calculated CFI. Now here we have got m is equal to 24th term. 24th term कहाँ मिलेगी अपने को? तो हम CFI में जाएंगे. We'll see over there. 6 के अंदर 24 इंक्लूड नहीं होगा, 16 में भी इंक्लूड नहीं होगा, बट 35 के अंदर हो सकता है, ऑब्वियसली होगा. सो 35 के अंदर 24 इंक्लूड है, तो 35 के सामने कौन सी क्लास ऐड हो रही है? 65 to 70. तो यहाँ लिखेंगे seeing 24 term in CF, we get it between 65 to 70. और यही हमारा मेन टारगेट होगा. अब इसी को फोकस करके सम को आगे गिनेंगे. कैसे? सो L is equal to 65. अब ये L कैसे आया? लोअर बाउंड्री पॉइंट. So 65, right? Always the first value. Then C. C means difference. What is the difference between 65 and 70? That is 5. CF जहां मिला है 35, उसके ऊपर की वैल्यू, that is 16. And F where I got that 24 term in 35, उसके सामने की वैल्यू फ्रीक्वेंसी में जाकर देखो तो it will be 90. Got everything? Now it's time to put the formula of median. M is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into C. So M is not there but L is there, 65. N upon 2 we have calculated earlier on, that is 24, minus CF. CF is there, that is given to 16, and divide by F stand for 19 into C. C is there, that is 5. So what is to be done right now? Where you can see 24 minus 16, getting the difference between both of them, we will see 8. Now 8 is in the multiplication of 5. So 8 5s are 40 and divide में कितना है? 19. साथ में 65 वो तो कैरी करते रहना है. कब तक? जब तक सामने वाली संख्या जो आपकी जो ये जो संख्या है ये नॉर्मल फॉर्म में नहीं आ जाती. तो नॉर्मल फॉर्म क्या है? 40 को 19 से डिवाइड करेंगे, we will be 2.10 और 5. So it means 65 is normal, then 2.10 is also normal. Add them both of. So 65 plus 2.11, it will be 67.11. You got your median too. You got x bar, mean, you got median, right? M. Now it's time to calculate mode. Z is equal to 3m minus 2x bar. 3m stand for median that we have calculated earlier on 67.11 minus 2 x bar is there, that is 68.85, and getting the multiplication with this one you will get 201.33 minus इसका मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 137.7. Now getting the difference between both of them, you will find 63.3. So your mode value is 63. So friends, this is all about this question where your class is not equal given to you. In such circumstances, we will calculate the sum like this way. Okay friends, so I hope તમને આ વિડિયો ગમી હશે. If you like this one and like it, share it and subscribe it. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. Till then, bye bye. See you. Have a nice day.